Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the sparkle text effect on your Instagram story. So in here, I've already on my Instagram, and to start, I'm going to just go to my story to create a story. So open the Instagram camera. Here, I'm going to just use a background. This one's right here, and you can just type something in here. So for example, I'm going to just write sparkle text effect like this. Here, just click on next and then click on the text, and here you can click on this A with dots around it, and you'll find the sparkle option. Just tap on that, and you can also change the phone if you want to, and the sparkle will still be there. I'm going to use this one. You can click on done. You can also adjust the size just like this. So that's how you can get the sparkle effect on Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.